Hi viewers, warm welcome you all. I am ARUMUGAM of grade 11th and standing in the prestigious post the head boy in Muthamil Public School academic year 2022 to 2023. If you elect me as a head boy, I promise I will take my job seriously and do all the welfare things for the school. And I promise that I will help you in all academics, sports and other co-curricular activities. I think that I am suitable for this post because I am always approachable and you can come to me and talk with me at any time, and I always help you by motivating you and encourage your all activities. And if you elect me as a head boy, I will recommend a no back day in every Saturdays. If you give me any ideas, I will surely take it to the school administrative and I will make sure it will be implemented. We will do many co-curricular activities like planting trees, playing inter-school competitions, and I swear we will win everything. And I thanks for this opportunity to the school and administration. Please share this video to your friends. My symbol is school bag and kindly vote me. Thank you.